Hi there, it's Kerri from theSongbird where we help your inner songbird take flight. And today I'm going to give you 3 amazing tips on how to go from bad singer to good singer. Hey there, before we get into today's subject, I want you to know that I have an amazing free resource that you're going to love. It's my Ultimate Vocal Warm-Up Guide ebook, and it actually describes 16 of my best warm-ups to help you warm up your voice to sound amazing and to keep your voice healthy. So just click on the link below to grab that for free right now. Now let's get into today's topic. So how do we go from bad singer to good singer? Now there are 3 tips that I want to share with you today. So number 1 is that we've got to get rid of tension. Number 2 is we've got to really facilitate an effortless breath. And number 3, we have to build buzz. Okay, number 1. Let's get rid of tension. So the thing is, right, a lot of the time, we're not even aware of how we're actually carrying our jaw, our body, in the way that we sing. And most of the time, 11 out of 10 singers, I kid you not, tend to sing with tension somewhere in their body. Tension in the tongue, tension in the throat, tension in the shoulders and the neck. Tension anywhere in the body is going to affect the way your voice sounds. So you're singing with a heap of tension, right? You are going to sound flat. You are going to sound strained. You are going to sound like it's too much effort. And that doesn't sound good, And so, a really simple thing to do is to just get rid of the tension. And today we're going to focus on getting rid of tension just in the jaw and in the tongue, okay? So we're going to do an exercise, and it's basically a blah, blah, blah exercise. I want you to say blah, blah with me. Just blah, blah, blah. And it's going to be as lazy as possible. If you don't do it lazily, you're not going to get the benefit of this exercise. You're not going to learn how to really sing without the tension, okay? And you're just going to continue to have a strained voice, and you're going to go out of tune, okay? So we're going to do an exercise here. So on a major triad, we're just going to sing blah, 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 blah. The important thing is that you let your tongue be really fat. Kind of let the tip of the tongue hang out a little bit over the bottom lip. Okay? And this is not meant to sound pretty. It should sound really lazy and sloppy and just like weird. Okay? If it sounds like that, you're doing it right and you're on the way to becoming a good singer. So here we go. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. You get your jaw just used to being really loose and your tongue being really loose. So going to help you when you actually start singing your songs. Alright, the second thing we've got to look at is facilitating an effortless breath. So many times singers will actually take too much effort to take the breath in. I'm exaggerating here, but honestly it happens a lot. And the chest rises up, the shoulders rise up, it facilitates a whole heap of tension inside the throat, which back to our first point, tension doesn't help. It doesn't help you sound like a good singer. And so what happens is that really it basically takes away your foundation. It's like building a house. You need a strong foundation so that the house can actually stand. Now breathing is your foundation. If you don't have an effortless breath, everything's going to fall over, okay? Alright, so how do we actually facilitate a really relaxed breath? First thing is, try to breathe in without sound. So you're just going to open your mouth and actually expand in your lower torso area. So this whole area in the stomach, the rib cage, the lower back, you should really feel all of that expand. So in order to practice this and feel what this feels like, you need to just be more aware, right? Spend about a minute every day just sitting somewhere comfortable and trying to think of your breathing. And just like open the mouth up, see if you can expand your lower torso and feel the breath actually coming in rather than you needing to gasp for the breath in, okay? So that's another thing that if you would just work on daily, just for a minute, it changes your mindset and it helps your body to realize I don't have to get all freaked out when I sing, I don't have to because we tend to approach singing with a lot of fear, and we don't even know it, it's subconscious, but we approach it with a lot of fear and it comes through in the breathing, right in the very beginning before you even sing a note. So that is the second tip that I want to give you. The third tip is that I want you to build buzz. Now, what do I mean by buzz? It's a feeling of vibration in this area here. So in your sort of, just underneath your eyes and in the nose and even in the mouth area, right? And sometimes you'll even feel it in your head, okay? But it's a resonance, okay? The technical term for it is resonant, and it's literally the sound. It's just bouncing off the hard surfaces of your face, so your teeth, your bones, and it's bouncing and really just shooting the sound forward as it bounces off the hard surfaces of your face. Now again, without this sound, you will sound very harsh. You will sound just not smooth, the tone won't be nice. It won't be a beautiful tone. It won't be a pretty tone. It will actually sound a bit throaty. So, I'll give you an example. So if I'm singing, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, like there's not much resonance in that. There's not much flow, right? But if I think of my buzz, just feel that vibration, and I go, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. It's just a lot prettier, the tone is a lot smoother. I don't know why I chose that song, but it was the first song that popped into my head. Anyway, let's do an exercise to build that buzz. So I want you to just do this. It's pretend like you're chewing on chewing gum, right? And as you go into the exercise, I want you to keep doing that. So you're going to do this, and you go, You feeling that buzz? Okay, on your own, keep chewing on it. So good. Now keep chewing on it. So good. Excellent. Good. Last one. Awesome. So again, this is something you can practice as a scale, but you can also practice while you're going through life, right? While you're driving, while you're washing the dishes, just like facilitating and building that buzz so that you can have a more beautiful, smooth, rich tone. Okay, so there you go. There are my 3 tips, simple things that you can start doing right now in order to go from bad singer to good singer. Now, if you're super serious about becoming a great singer and you're just like hungry for more, I want you to go and check out my Vocal Revolution program. In this program, there's 20 video modules, and it's basically like you coming here in my studio and we're having 20 one-on-one voice lessons. I basically share all my secrets of how to become a great singer, and I take you through every exercise in detail, and it is so much fun. You also get to connect with like-minded singers from all over the globe in our private community Facebook page, the Songbird Tribe. So just go and check out the link below, the Vocal Revolution program. It's going to bless you. Alright, Songbird, know that I am always believing in you. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!